Wide area network. So, by definition, a wide area network, also known as WAN, it is the largest network of the information that is not tied to a single location. WAN can facilitate communication, sharing of information, and much more between devices from around the world through a WAN provider. A wide area network is a type of network suitable for communication over a large geographical area. For example, from one city to another or from one country to another. A good example of large area network is the internet. The internet is the largest network and many more local area networks are interconnected. Wide area network is separated all over the country or all over the world, and the coverage of this network is the highest among all the network. So WAN is running with the large variety of protocols and providing different services. WAN communication subnet can use the public packet switch network, satellite communication network, and the wireless PAT switching network. For example, if the offices of a company are in different cities and all the offices have a local network, then we can connect all these offices in a local network. Connecting a large network can create a large network, and in this way we can connect all the computers in the local network of the city network to all the computer in the local network of the city network. Feature of WAN. So WAN has the following features, and it's had large capacity and adapted to certain communication requirement to adopt the requirement of integrated business service, open the standardized protocol, devices interface, and improve communication service and network management. And in data rate of WAN is lower compared to the data transfer rate of local area network, and the single proportion delay is much greater than the local area network. The typically data rate of the WAN are 56 kbps to 155 mbps or higher than speed WAN. Next is equipment of WAN. So some of the famous and common WAN connection device include router, switch, modem, and the communication server. So in router provides services such as LAN, interconnection, WAN interface, and the many other devices, services. And in switch connect the WAN and the provide voice data and the video communication. While in modem provide voice grade service, interface, channel service, unit or T1/T2 or service interfaces. And in communication server bring together user incoming and outgoing connection. So it is the one such powerful business tool that assists large organization to the communicate initially more faster and efficient. With these type of benefits, user might think that WAN could be flawless. However, that is not the case. WAN has their own pros and cons that cannot be neglected. Like other type of technology tools, you need to use WAN in the right way to acquire their benefit. Next is advantage of WAN. So, advantage of WAN are the following, that is area coverage, centralized data, updated files, message exchanges, increased bandwidth, and assured uptime. So, in area coverage, WAN generally covers geographical area of large proportion, 1000 kilometers or more than that. Probably, if you have business office and located at different location, then without an effort, all the branches can be communicated through WAN. For this purpose, the internet service provider ISP can provide lease line. Next is centralized data. By using WAN means that you can share the data connected to all the devices in the respective network. For example, you can set up head office server and share the data among all the offices branch, and there is no need to purchase separate emails, files, and backup server. Instead, you can get all the backup and support from the head office server. Next is updated file. From updated file, WAN users can get updated files and data for the server. Companies can work to update files from the server so that they connect devices can receive them. That too is not fraction of second. Message exchange. With this advancement of Internet of Things and LAN, a sudden growth of WAN-based device can seen. From the communication, though, message can be done fast with the help of the popular applications such as Messenger and WhatsApp. Next is increased bandwidth. By this, in order for forming a backbone of the respective network, corporate LAN offers use lease line. Using lease line means that there are more bandwidth compared to standard broadband connection. Ultimately, business improvement is productive can be seen. And last is assured uptime. So by this, another biggest plus of this WAN is that they offer guarantee uptime. WAN provider offer uptime weekly, quarterly, or annually. It is a part of the SLA. It does not matter that what the industry is, the uptime can be assured. So next is disadvantage of WAN. So disadvantage of WAN is like security, need of security solution, installation cost, disconnection problem, troubleshooting issue, and its maintenance issue. So in security, since WAN has more technology combination to each other, it faces more security issues compared to LAN and MAN. This can open a security gap which pave the way of malicious attack and identify thieves. Beside that, WAN poses wide area coverage which can be used negatively by a people of different computers. Next is need of security solution. So, as mentioned earlier, WAN frequently faces security issues, probably as the result of the data transfer that can be easily accessed by the hacker. Hence, in every PC, firewall need to be enabled, and there are chances when malicious attack can take place. Therefore, antivirus software also need to be installed. Next is installation cost. So WAN are on default complicated and complex basically because of their geographical coverage, and they are expensive to set up. Setting up a WAN require purchasing of router, switching, and security solutions. Next is disconnection problem. In some areas, especially in remote location, there is no proper electricity supply or line structure. Due to this, customer often face disconnection issues and more frequently. For getting rid of this, customer are required to purchase a dedicated line for the ISP. Next is troubleshooting issue. So in that WAN issue is a difficult task and required more time. If there are issue in that network, it is difficult to pinpoint the exact cause due to their broad coverage of geographical area. Moreover, wire of the WAN goes under the sea. In the case if those wire get broken, it can be challenging to fix them since it involves lot of resources. And last is the maintenance issue. So by this maintaining WAN is difficult task to carry out, especially maintaining a data center that operate 24 into 7 is the biggest challenge out of all. It is a full-time job that needs assistance from network administrator and technician. So that's all about today. Thank you.